Hello everyone, welcome to Aptly Plus Academy for Civil Services. Now welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is bit important and relevant for prelims examination. It is about Ola Krutrim or Krutrim. There is a different pronunciation which you can have. So it has become India's first AI unicorn. It's an indigenous unicorn, a pride moment for India, where a company, Ola, I think most of you must be aware about Ola. You must have used its services. They are operating with the cab services. Recently, they have launched EV, the scooters EV, which is there. So now on the AI part, it has become first AI unicorn. So we'll see the detail, how it is relevant, what are the main purpose and aim of Ola Krutrim. So first to give a background, recently Ola founder has said that the artificial intelligence startup Krutrim has raised 50 million in funding at a 1 billion valuations. And Krutrim is now India's first AI startup that has a status of unicorn. So this can be relevant for various one-day examination conducted across the country. And the investor in the Krutrim say that the latest funding may include the Matrix partner, जो कि Krutrim ने already invested in उनके और different verticals में. They have a month after a debut where the language model AI was actually developed, transforming the part of India जहाँ पे कई ऐसे indigenous language हैं जिनको incorporate की जाएगी. Now about the Krutrim, so it's basically means artificial in Sanskrit. If you way back, if you trace it, the meaning it's a Sanskrit word which means artificial, and it is a process of developing the data center across the country. So they will be developing the data center. If it asks Krutrim, but definitely this will be the data centers. And Krutrim will actually have two models. First, it will have base model, and other it will have a pro model. जिस तरह से इंडिया में चैट जीपीटी काम कर रही है, there are different versions 3.5, 4.0 pro versions. Now Krithram will also functions on the same part answering the people prompt or query. I think most of you must have aware the chat GPT, so you must have a fair idea how that it functions. Now the Krithram can understand 22 languages. This is a major advantages with the Krithram that will have. We'll have 10 Indian languages as of now, which will include Marathi, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Odia, Gujarati, and Malayalam. So these are the 10 important languages that will be initially recognized as a part of Indian language in the part of AI, or you can say the language processing model that we are having. The company aims to launch Krithram Pro with a larger version solving the problem, with a complex problem. Definitely, it will have a paid versions. I'm not getting into detail of that, but these are the basic information available as of now. Now, a brief about Mr. Bhavesh Agarwal, who is the owner of Ola, right? Now, getting to details, he founded Ola. So, I mean, he raised 50 million from MN Metrics partner and trained 2 talent tokens in the model comprehensive over 22 languages, where 10 Indian languages are already there. Now, क्या aim है इस प्लेटफॉर्म की? The platform aims to create a super computer ecosystem जहाँ पे AI की development होगी, language model जो है will be actually developed. The system trained on the proprietary data sets aims to address the linguistic diversity and cultural context, specifically addressing the India's demand and Indian demands. The AI system is designed to support Indian languages, which will operate independently from Ola Mobility and EV business. So ये दो different domains हैं, अलग-अलग verticals हैं Ola company की. One they are operating with mobility, other they are operating with EV business. This will be a third different verticals. Now there's a LLM. This is known as the large language model. So recently Krutrim has unveiled the base of the language model with the large representation of Indian database and its power generation with AI application for all Indian languages. Trained by the team of leading computer scientists based on Bangalore, San Francisco, this model will also be powered with the Krutrim conventional AI assistants understand and speak the mutual Indian language fluently. So this is how it will help Indian audience, Indian diaspora, Indian diversity anywhere across the globe understanding the thing more in their native language. Now, before I conclude, just to give you the brief about the artificial intelligence, there are two types of artificial intelligence that is mostly work. So in the first type, we have narrow, general, and strong. These are the three types of AI that is operating. In type 2, we have reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. So these are the basic. You don't need to dive deep into the part of artificial intelligence that is out of our course and syllabus, but these are some of the basics that must be known to you. So this was all about the AI Krutrim developed by Ola. I hope you find this content relevant for the examination perspective. I'll be coming up with the more informative videos through our NR series. This was all about for this. I'll meet you in the next session. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned.